That's what I like. I'm a smooth criminal. And when you say my name, you was two syllables. I'm finna get some money, what are you finna do? My drip so sick, I need a new physical. I'm finna get some money, what are you finna do? Finna do. Get some money, what are you finna do? Finna do. Get some money, what are you finna do? Finna do. So sick, I need a new physical. I'm a smooth criminal. And when you say my name, you was two syllables. I'm finna get some money, what are you finna do? My drip so sick, I need a new physical. I'm finna get some money, what are you?
Today we're gonna learn how to shake. So how we're gonna start it off is with a little march. You know what I'm saying? So like every time you wanna start up, you wanna have something that got you like get you warmed up. Like before you even start using all this and doing all this and all that, you wanna have like a little march. You know what I'm saying? So like usually they had the LB, you know, with the feel me? That's how they used to start it up. And then like when I ran into Switzerland, then they had like a little you know, like a feel me? So that's the way you can start it up before you like start wilding. So this is how it will look like if I started up like that. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, feel me? That's how it would happen. Or if you want to make it look like you just came through the door, like, oh, I just came through 1, 2, 1, 2, spin, 2, 1, 2. So spins is very important in the home shake also. So if you ever have that little time to just catch a good spin, take advantage of it. As smooth as it is, the better it looks. All right, so anyway, we'll get into spins after I teach you the shoulders. All right, so those are your marches, you feel me? So it's a side-to-side thing, you feel me? So it's like that. So when, like, you can use your hands to guide you. So you could go 1, like an arm swing. So, and a jab. So it's a jab and an arm swing. So it's 1, but with a shoulder groove. So you see my shoulder? That's like, feel me? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how I look. 2, wait, hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So that will just look. But if you want to look stank with it, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Stank is better. Like stank is when you make the face like. Oh my God, I'm about to kill it. You know what I'm saying? That's how you really want to come out. So I'm giving y'all like. People don't even come out like that. So if you come out like that, I'll know you watched this. Anyway, so boom. Feel me? It's like a tantrum a little bit, feel me? Then you got your stomps, feel me? So the stomp is also a part of your march. You could like, you go. Like you want it, like give me more. Anyway, so boom. That's part of your like shaking. So with those, now we're gonna go straight into the shoulders. So the shoulders is more of like a, so it's like 1, 2, 3. So what you wanna do is your feet are always lined side to side, spaced out. So you wanna give yourself space so you can really get in there. So when you're in there, like the most, like space like enough whereas you like arm length basically like evened out. Anyway. Woo. So up. So. All right. So what the trick is the hip. So when I'm going this way, my hip is kind of poking out. You know what I'm saying? When I'm going that way, my hip kind of pokes out. So it's like, hey, 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 hey. All right. So you got different ways to shake. So you got your trembles, which is, feel me, baby trembles. Feel me? Then you got your rocks, which is your side to side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you got like a little bop. Like so. Also, the more you can lift your leg up. So you can throw your knee up a little bit just to get you that little time to get the shoulder ready, like, feel me? So So it's like I'm walking straight. So you know you shaking right if you feel it in your ribs, all right? Because basically it's really a core thing, all right? So once you rapidly doing this, so another way good to keep these looking proper is to shake and try to lift your arms up. So this is called the Birdman. All right, so the Birdman is basically a real person. He's one of the forefathers of Lifey, as far as like one of the oldest in the book. Anyway, not to make him sound so old. But anyway, this move he created. So he's a shaker himself. So what he does is he keeps his hand out. So it's like you still up and down, feel me? But it's like that. But you wanna, people usually flop their hands. I would just suggest you just keep them like that. So it's like you trying to, so it's like 1, 2. But you don't want it to look like that. You don't want to do that. You want to just, feel me? And then bring them back down. This is how you practice. Feel me? Boom. I also have like shoulders to face. All right, so there's like connections. So you got like a up, 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 drop, up, up, rotation, drop. All right, those are like shoulder to head breakdown. All right, so then you also have your isos while you shaking. You can turn your head, break it, turn your head back, break it, digit. All right, now isolation shake move, you will have whoop, whoop, whoop. All right, so it's not easy. All right, so what you do is you step up, your shoulder up, you try to tilt down one shoulder as much as you can, and then you try to make your head follow that shoulder that drop down. All right, while keeping everything still, you're going back down, and then you're gonna go in. All right, and then you can even do it like side to side like this. So you can just learn by just trying to hold your chest and going side by side on your free time. Ooh, sorry. Anyway, so that's just for the shoulders. All right. So this is a difficult part for shaking because I want you to understand the difference. What I'm teaching right now is the cuts. I'm gonna teach you the cuts first, then pops. They look similar, but they're totally different. All right? So what the cuts is, mostly I've seen made by Dirty Kurt, which is a dancer who is a Harlem shaker, original Harlem shaker, who used his shoulders, but didn't really use his shoulders. He was more like, to me, like the king of pop of Harlem shake. Like, but he also just used his arms mostly. And when he had his arms, he used the cuts. So, boom, here's the cuts. So what you want to do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So that's a cut. That's the first cut I want you to learn. So your shoulders come up just a little bit. When it comes up just a little bit, it's like pythons, you know what I'm saying? Like, but what you do is you make your hands come up, come straight in, and go like that. All right? So it's just gonna look like this. It's gonna be. Alright, so, alright, so when you cut in, you want to bring it in and then rotate. So it's like you're rotating your shoulder. So it's rotate. So bring it in. Boom. Alright, that's a cut. Alright. Also, when you doing like swings, so like you see a lot of females and guys go and all right, that's a cut. That's not a pop, it's a cut, all right? The pop, this is the cut, and then right here, when you turn in the wrist, and when you kick out, that's a pop, all right? Pop. All right, cool. So, there's many ways to cut, so you got the, all right, so it's 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now the trick to staying on point with like it is to turn your head. So when I'm cutting, You feel me? It's like, so now this right here is called misdirection. So it's like, they don't know where you're gonna come in. Boom, all right? So now, me and my friend Dot, we had this thing where we took the cuts, cause, you know, so it's called cutting, you know what I'm saying? So we act like it was blades and stuff. So what we do is, with the beat, is go, one, pop, feel me? So it's like we're cutting it up, throw, pin it to the side, throw it, boom, feel me? That's a little like Bronx stylish, all right? It's not, now you're going a little bit Bronx shake, all right? That's the Bronx shake method right there. Anyway, so with the cuts, one, then you got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then you got 1, 2, 3, all right? All right, so the stronger you shoot up, the stronger the move look, the sharp. So you want to keep working on these. This is what I learned from one of the original Harlem Shakers. The road, take their hands. So it's like you know, when you wet your hands and, you feel me? You wanna, so right here, so these right here, now we're done with cuts, all right? Because with cuts is much more of a just keeping it straight. But the main secret I'm trying to teach about the cuts is, once again, the hips, all right? So you got your straight, you got your, feel me? Feel me? You can go, you can mix it up. That's another thing. So then you got these. So these is like your slow-mo, you can slow motion the cut and make it back into a fast cut. All right, so what you want to do is, all right? Gotta make the sound effect, because it's like, you can't count soul. Like, this is really soul. This is your soul telling you how it will be, all right? So it's boom, 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 feel me? But look at, so also look at my toes. Like, you wanna be, don't be on your tippy toe, but be a little like, get up off your heel when you're going in. So it's like, you're digging in, feel me? So when you, it's just gonna look right. All right, because when you like rotating your shoulder, your hip, it's just gonna look right. All right, I really had to get into